Today I'm sharing with you guys the 4 best short form content audio sound effects for your reels. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you guys know that I have a free starter kit pack down in the description with all of these 4 sound effects. And these 4 sound effects are the only ones that I use for all of my short form content. Now, why would I only give you guys 4 sound effects? The main reason is just to not overcomplicate your reels. Literally, if you have 2 to 3 sound effects for your reels, that's all you really need. And also too, if you're using those consistent sounds over a long period of time, that's going to help you really build like familiarity between you and your community. So they'll just kind of expect these sound effects and they'll really tie those sound effects to you in the future if they hear them somewhere else. So again, I'm giving you guys a free audio pack. Just go ahead, check it out down below. But let's go ahead and open up Premiere Pro and show you guys how I use all of these sound effects. So the first one I'm going to share with you guys is the riser metallic. And this one I throw in all of my hooks. So essentially you have a hook and then you kind of have like the body of your reel, and you want to just throw that audio like right in between like the hook and then your body. You just want to have like the hook cut off right at that point where they intersect, right? So I see a lot of editors really use this effect the wrong way. So I'm just here telling you guys how to use it so you don't look like a noob editor. So as you guys can see, this is my hook right here. This is the body. And then I cut it off right here. So go ahead and play it through, show you guys what it sounds like. Something I wish I knew before I got started in business. Figure out, it just flows really nicely, builds anticipation into the body and just builds curiosity. Honestly, just a goated sound effect. Another step of extra saucery that I put on there is if you guys click the effect button and you guys throw on some heavy reverb, then it just makes it sound so much better. So just go ahead and do that. Now, the second sound effect is literally pretty much the same exact thing, but it's a bell sound. So use it the same exact way, throw on a reverb, and then play through. Something I wish I knew before I got started in business. Figure out. Pretty fire, does the same thing, so it's nothing really new, but it's an amazing sound effect. So I figured I'd throw it in the pack for you guys for free. Now, moving on, we're gonna go to transition sort of sound effects. Now, I only have 2 because that's all I really need. And the first one is actually a camera focus click. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it sounds. About the money, because so it's super subtle, but it like just really adds like an extra layer of depth to the edit, a little bit more texture, I guess. And what I did to this one, I believe I just turned it down negative 15 decibels by hitting G, typing in negative 15. That's what I did. So use that sound effect. It's pretty gas, really clean. And then the next one is the Takeover click. And this is actually a sound effect that I made by combining different sound effects together. So this one's actually original sound effect that no one else uses except for me. So you're welcome. So here's what it sounds like. Money. So it's kind of like a whoosh with the click sound effect. The money. And I did the same exact thing for this one. I just turned it down negative 5 decibels. And that's the biggest thing with these sound effects. You want them to be like subtle and not in your face, because if they're like not like in the mix properly of like the audio, like the voice, the background music, it's just going to be weird and it's going to sound way too loud and just like not make sense and just not feel like it's one cohesive piece. So biggest thing with your sound effects, make them sound like they're actually part of the video and not just like layered on top of the video. But anyways, guys, that is my free sound effects to you as like a free gift for the holidays, which, by the way, if you guys don't know, I'm doing a daily series of posting for Christmas. So if you're watching this before Christmas, then go ahead, check out the first link down in the description below, and you're going to be able to save a lot of money and a lot of time this holiday season with my editing preset packs. But anyways, please leave a like, comment, subscribe down below. Remember, take action, take over. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.